welcome to another episode of Nujum Talk. Today, video is no longer optional for businesses, entrepreneurs, and personal brand. It has become one of the most powerful ways to educate an audience, promote a service, build a trust, and remain visible on social media. However, many people still believe that creating professional looking videos require complicated software, expensive equipment, or advanced editing experience. This is where CapCut comes in. CapCut has made video editing more accessible by combining essential editing features with powerful artificial intelligence tools. But having the tool is not enough. We also need to understand how to use it creatively and strategically. To guide us through this topic, I am delighted to welcome again Ms. Diana Bote, a creative expert in CapCut video editing and social media management. Diana understands not only how to edit videos, but also how to transform ideas into engaging social media content that supports business visibility and personal branding. Diana, welcome to Nujum Talk. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much, Soby. Thank you for having me again tonight.
Diana, I want to ask you, what is CapCut and why is it so popular?
Um, CapCut Sabi is a video editing app where it has a video editing tools inside on it, and with a built-in AI feature, it can be used for desktop, laptop, and it can also be really used on mobile also, which is very accessible, especially for beginners, where they can edit videos using their mobile phone, powerful enough to create a video, especially that our reels nowadays is very famous.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
yeah.
Excuse me, why it's called cup?
Why it's called
Why
CapCut?
yeah, why they say cup? Why use the cup, word cup? I'm
Actually,
sorry
CapCut.
if there is if there yeah.
if you allow me, just to take you quickly to the name of the software is CapCut.
Yes, why it's cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, why
Why they
it's
named
cup?
like this?
Yes,
Do you know?
يعني just for information.
Diana, do you know why it is called CapCut, not called any other name?
For me, Sabi, as I am using it all of it, yeah, I also wonder why it calls at CapCut, but maybe because it is very easy. If you have a long video form, you can cut it there in CapCut. You can edit it there easily.
Wonderful. So I will leave it. I will stop sharing. I will leave the floor to you. And would you please just take us onto it, into more deeper look, and what is CapCut and why it is
Um,
important?
yes, Sabi. Yeah, let me just share my screen. So if you're going to search in the search bar on Google, CapCut, it will directly it will direct it here, their CapCut website. And but this is not the exact editing feature of it. So you're going to download here. If you click it here, you're going to have it just like this. So this is the app, and then we're going to click the create project, and then it will direct us to the CapCut interface.
Okay, so this is the
So this is
website,
it.
and the website
Um,
from there we download the software. The name of the
yes.
software is CapCut. and it will open on desktop. It will look like this, the screen you are
Yes.
sharing.
Yes, this is the interface of the video editing tool, Sabi. So here at the left top, we have the media, the audio, the text, stickers, the effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustments, and templates, and AI avatar. Now we're going to go to here first, media. So if you have already video, so example, you have to import it here, video, and then it will direct to your files, get your video there. Yeah. So it goes something like this. You're just going to drag it here down. So
Mhm.
there we are. This is the uh this is where what happened every edit we're going to make. If you're going to add an audio with our video, so go to audio, and then you're going to select a music you want to uh, be the background of your video, and then the sound effects. If you have something, if you want to add a sound effects as well, you can get it here. And
I-
then
Yeah. If you allow me now, this is not the free version. This is a paid version of CapCut.
yes, Sobi, this is a standard. CapCut has three a free plan, but you can also already, if you are a beginner, you can use that free plan. Then if you are an entrepreneur, a small business, or uh, aspirant creator, you can
Mm,
use the standard, and it costs you for about $10 a month. Now if
mhm,
you are a big businesses or you have a team, you
mhm.
can use and or you are creating your content consistently, and you need an AI, more AI video generation, you need the pro account for that.
Wonderful. And now I want to ask you now, when you showed us two types, we have the music and we have the sound effect. Now, what I understand, you are taking us now into a tour inside the software that is called CapCut. And you
Yeah.
showed us at the very beginning, you import how you created a video outside of by mobile, or you get another video. You uploaded that video, and now you want to add to this video some music or we need to add sound effect. The library of music and the sound effect, is it available within the CapCut or we need to buy it separately?
No, sorry. The music is already available here. But if you have music with your own that is not available when you're going to search it here above, you have to apply for it as copyright and check for it.
Copyright, I can add it from here and check it here.
Eh,
Okay,
Yes, check it here, Sabi. So it won't be copyrighted when you are going to publish the content. So
wonderful.
here So here in the playhead, so if we're going, so this is a video of about a 20 second video. So just above here, you can show it, you can see it here, the the timeline of the, and then if you're going to cut it, so let's just say for example, you're going to make it just five yeah, something like that. So you're just going to cut, split the video, and
Mhm,
then yeah, that's it. You can split that one, and then you can add transition for that. So the video will become more natural.
mhm.
So you can add it here. So this is for example something like this or something like that. So you can add that one here.
So this is transition. It means after I cut it, I have two separate videos. One, the CapCut
Yeah.
moving from the first one to another one. We can add some beautiful effect that is called transition. and it will show us
Yeah.
here sample of this transition you are
Yes,
implementing
Soby.
here. Okay.
Yes, and also if you're not cutting and if you are have a multiple video, then you can do that. You can add it here also at the
If I add video to another video, I
here.
can put a transition between both videos.
Yes, yes, exactly, Sobi. So then you can add also a text from here if you have a script or you have a narrator for
can you
that.
and can you add it? Can you add the text? Show it. يعني you add some text.
Sure. Then you're going to add a text. So let's just say if where's the playhead, there it can go. So can move it here and then just add your text here. You
Okay.
can,
Type
yeah,
whatever
you
I want.
can, yes, whatever you want and then drag. You can drag it, the text to whatever you want. So, and then you can also, and you can also, make it, if you want it to be colored, so something like that. And you can also create it into an animation. You can add an animation for that text. So if you want to be something like this, yeah, that's it. You can add an animation for that. And stickers as well. You can attach a sticker for your video, and then effects if you want some effects to be attached. You want to add an effects, yeah, you can check it here. So the one that has a purple color diamond in there is for paid plan only, but for something like this it can be used for free plan.
Mhm.
And then here the transition, the captions. So if we have example, Sabi, you are talking, you are talking with your video and you want to generate a captions, like captions are essentials and it has a great impact on a video. So if you are talking to your video, you can generate the caption here and generate. So if you're going to click your video and then generate the captions, you can generate it here. So you can add also a language for that. So what language is it? English, Arabic? Yeah, you
So,
can
so
do
here,
that here.
so here the question: do we add the text ourselves, or would it extract it from the itself from the video?
All right. Yes. It will be easily instructed. For example, if you are talking to the video and
Yeah.
you want that words of yours, you want it to generate into a caption, then because our video has no sound, so but this is applicable if you are talking to the video. So here the generate captions, it will automatically generate a captions from what you are talking about. So it can generate the captions, it can remove, it can auto remove the background, the like you don't need a green screen on it. And then if you have a green screen, you can also make it a chroma key with that. Then you can also customize the removal of the background as well.
So all of these options available with this version, and the good thing here about the what I understand. Suppose now we are recording our meeting and we uploaded this meeting to the video to the CapCut. Automatically, CapCut will extract will generate the text of our what we are talking right now, the caption of what we are
Yes,
talking. Okay.
yes, Sabi. So
Ah,
Yes, and then if you're going to like you have a lot of platforms that you are going to post that, and then you want to have multiple sizes and pixels for that video. So when you're going to export your video, you can make it here the resolution, change it your resolution here. So yes. So
wonderful.
this is just the basic. This is the very basic sabi, like most of the video using these features and CapCut.
Okay, now actually, you are answering my second question was which about essential editing tools. What are the essential editing tools every beginner should know? So now you took us about how to upload a video, how to have transition. Additionally, suppose we have an event, we have several still images. We can put the images and we can use the transition so the images will look on more attractive way. And you mentioned in the editing how we can remove the background, how to add the voices, the music, how to add voice, what we call it, the sound effect, and how to add captions. And this is very, very nice things to have, and also how to add text and how to animate a text. And all of these things are considered the basics of CapCut. Anybody can do this one and learn it in very easy way. And now, I can, if you allow me, I want to move to the next question. How can, and it's
Yes.
about filters and color correction. How can filters and color correction improve videos?
All right. The color corrections are very essentials, especially if you have a business. Like it lets you adjust the mood and the consistency of your video. Like for example, giving all your brand videos the color tone of your brand. Like it makes your content easy to recognize with your audience.
Can you elaborate more, please? For example, what I'm trying to say, suppose I have a brand identity. I'm using primary color and secondary color, and then I'm creating video. Can I ask the CapCut that to use this primary and secondary color as like a mask for the video, so it be closer to my brand guidelines?
Yes, Sabi, you can add here your you can import her your templates if
Mhm.
you have templates, and if you have here in the media, you can add it here. You can import your templates also here, so you can attach it here to your video as well. So
So,
your content, your uh the colors, the templates is consistent according to your brand voice. So this one here, as you can see, the color, you can change these colors. You can change the color of the text according to the brand color.
so now, again, like the filters and colors correction, where is it located? The filters and color corrections.
Oh, you can, let me see. So you can adjust it here, and then the filters is here. Yes.
Okay, can we select the same video and see how it's moving, how it's doing? We need first to collect the vid to select the video in the on the
Yeah.
what do you call the screen, the bottom screen, the video editing
This
screen?
one.
Okay,
Like this one, sorry.
okay. So
So
now,
this is the playhead.
if you click on these featured ones, it will change the color automatically.
Depend on the feature that you are using. Depends upon your filters that you are
Okay.
using. So like for example, you're going to use an amber for it. Yeah.
Can you use
Yeah.
this lady on the swimming pool? How it will change it? The color of this.
Let me just, okay. So as you can see, that's the video, and then we're going to attach
So this
the
is now
amber.
the amber is there.
Yeah, yeah. And then if you're going to make it the whole 5 seconds, then you can just drag it there until 5, and then the
Okay.
amber is there.
So this will add like a mask or like a filter to the
Yes,
video. It will add
yes,
the
it will
amber color
add.
all over there.
Yes, and you can add multiple filters as long as how much filters you
Mm.
want. It can add it here, sorry.
We can create a filter of our colors.
Um, nope, as of the moment.
We use their filters.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now this is about filters. What about color correction? For example, sometimes we record some video, it doesn't have this brightness. And so many times happened to us in our Toastmaster meetings. We are recording on video, but the light is not that strong. Here we can increase how to increase the brightness of the video without you using a filter. Do you have some
All
adjustment
right.
for this videos?
So if we're going to select it here, you can retouch that sorry, like everything
It is
is
auto
here
style,
already. Yeah.
auto style. So this is making it
Yeah.
automatically,
Yes. Yes. You can just adjust it here.
and then we can adjust it manually.
Yes.
It will take some times to
The
load because
mask. Yes.
he's calculating the video. So now, in general, does CapCut require a strong laptop or desktop?
Yes, Sabik, please come again.
I mean, like some video editing software, they require very strong hardware, desktop, high speed CPU, and large RAM. And now CapCut, I've been told like this something is less heavy on the system as the other video editing tools, isn't it?
Yes, Sabi, it's very friendly for any desktop, but sometimes it really still can affect. For me, based from my experience, it still sometimes affects depend on the internet connection, but on the specs on your device, it's not a problem at all because CapCut is also a mobile app as well.
I can notice now that in auto styles, they already created auto styles so they can be used, selected. And also, I notice if we have also different options for face, for body, for hair, for face presence, for body presence. So, no, not a presets, sorry, not a present, presets. So all of this can be edited. So now, if you allow
Yes.
me, I will move to another question, which is about graphics and motion effects. How can graphics and motion effects make video more engaging?
Animated elements and motion graphics are essentials, especially for promotional content. Like you have an ad, and then you are going to make a video for that. That is very important because it really adds energy to your video, Sabi, and it help highlights the key moments and of your campaign for that.
Okay, wonderful. By the way, just I'm reading on the chat, Mr. Gasson, he's saying the word CapCut. Originally, it was another software, Chinese software called Jianging. Jianging. Then the company ByteDance changed the name into CapCut. And another, I find also we have another answer. CapCut, cap, it means capture video. Cut and edit that video. So CapCut, it means capture and edit. This is something like this, and they make it very easy to pronounce and easy to remember. Now we have a question from Gasson. How do I delete a specific part in a CapCut? Like 11, 42, 12, like this time. We have a specific time. I want to delete 2, 3 words mentioned during the podcast session. S-
Like I from the script that they're going to make it. May I know if the script or the selected clips of the video?
Selected clips of the video. We have like a video clips. For example, we have
Okay.
a podcast, and one of the interviewers like start coughing. We need to remove this coughing. We need to remove some specific
All
part.
right. So here, you're going to find, so what time is it? So for example, about 12:18. So we're going to find the 12:18 here. So example, that's where ayan. That's it. So 12:18, and there we're just going to split that, split again, and then split. If example, if it's in here, the last one cut it. Then we're going to cut a 13 to remove that. Then cut again, split it, and then that certain here, the very small here, that's it. We're going to cut. If this is the part where someone is coughing, or if it is the part that you want to remove, and then delete it.
No, and here the question, can't we have it in numerical value? Because the mouse precision is not that high. Sometimes when we are using a mouse, it will not work as it is supposed to be.
Like, you can add, drag it here, Sabi. You can zoom your, so that it is very easy for you to.
Zooming it in, it will give us more
Yes.
capability
Yes, so
to.
it will be easy for you to navigate the playhead to the time of the video.
I see. Okay, now back to our question. We last question was about graphics and motion effect and how to make it more engaging. Can we add here some do we consider transition is a graphic and motion effect, or what the, يعني,
Um,
can we redo do some graphic effect now?
transition is that it's the past phase. It makes the video natural, especially if it is a cut like this one, Sabi. So as you can see, if you're going to so something like this. So if you're going to add a transition for that, so let's just see something like this.
So here you drag and drop, isn't it?
Yes. So
Oh,
you're just tapped it here, and then there's a plus sign there, and it automatically add it here. So if where's your playhead is located, that's where the transition, that's where the added feature will be added also. So
the,
as you can see, when you're going to play, so there you are, there,
the,
the transition.
oh, wonderful, amazing. Now about the graphics, how can we add graphics and make motion for that graphic? So
So
many
it
times.
depends with your
Yeah.
yes. So for example, if your graphics is a text, so let's just say something like this.
Mhm,
So and then you go to a text animation,
mhm.
and then you're going to choose it here. What animation you want for your text, and you can also create your text, if that text of yours you want it to transform it into speech, Sabi, like for example, if you have this text here, you can text to speech also.
So it will give the sound along with the.
Yes, and then you're going to choose whatever voice you're going to use here. So let's just say, for example, something like this. Yeah, that's it.
Very nice. And now, this is suppose I'm making a training about time management. I want to, when I mention a time, I want to add a clock. Then the clock will move away or to move from one part in the screen to another part. This motion, is it easy to be done in CapCut?
Oh, yes, Abby. Yes.
Either motion
It's
for
just
sport.
an yes. If you have already in CapCut, you're going to you can add a sticker
Mhm.
here. You can choose it here. Let's just say you're going to search for a specific sticker, or you can upload it here, Savi. Uh whatever picture or any you graphics you want to if you have a specific, if you especially if there you have a brand, you can upload it here. So example, if you're going to upload it, this is just an example. If you have uploaded, so if you're going, yeah, that's it. And then you can adjust what page is that we're going to. And then if you want to see, you just need to move the playhead to see where is the exact. Yeah, that's
But
it.
but moving the same one inside it, you can put it like a path to follow inside the CapCut. I want to go it while I'm talking. I want to move it from right to left and from up to down. It will go here to.
Yeah,
Oh,
Sabi, you can make it an animation again. You want to be, yeah, something like that, something like this. So you can find it here in the animation
mhm,
you want.
I understand.
Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
And then we have also, this is the AI also, Sabi, the AI featured of a CapCut as well. So they have this AI
Before,
image.
sorry, Diana, before we jump into AI, just I want to make like a checklist about what we have discussed so far. So we
Yeah.
spoke so far. We have spoken about what is CapCut. You gave us a quick tour about the CapCut interface, essential editing tools, and filter and colors. We spoke about them. We spoke now about graphics and motion, and now we want just to talk about brand identity. Can you just take us like how can business and personal brands use logos and visual elements to build consistent brand identity? I'm just trying to cover the basics first. For example, we have for me, I have my own logo. I want to use my logo as a watermark in all of my videos, for example.
Ah, yes, it's still the same, Sabi. And that is very important. Like, logo, your color, your brand identity is very important elements on your video because it becomes an extension to your brand. Like every video you are making, if you have the logo and the brand identity in it, then it is very easy, and it reinforces the recognition of your brand to your audiences, not just a standalone content, but it can easier to your audiences to recognize your brand because of your logo and your brand identity on it. So the same as the I've shown you with how I attach the sticker. So you're just going also to go to media and then import your logo here. You can add. So for example, the sticker is your logo, then you want that logo of yours to be shown with the whole video. You're gonna just going to drag it until the very end of the video, so your logo is steadily there. So
Mhm.
you can drag, you can get it smaller, bigger, so something like that. So that's why this is very beginner friendly.
Wonderful. So anything I want to show it from the beginning till the end, I have to put it on the timeline from the beginning till the end. And I
Yes.
have to give it a fixed place so it will be always people will remember it from that, because changing places will make people difficult for them to remember what is the logo and what is the brand position, main brand used for this logo, for this video. And
Yeah.
so now this is about brand identity. Now about auto captions. Why are auto captions important for social media videos?
Because on sub, like, people nowadays, a lot of us are spending time outdoors, and most of them are making their phones mute. Like, auto captions boost time and accessibility. Like, it help your contents perform better, especially if you're posting on LinkedIn and Instagram.
So I will, with your permission, I will share something you showed me before about social media. About social media. This is something you have done, and then we will talk about AI. Okay. So I will take the
Yeah.
share from you, and I will share. I'll go to Instagram. I will share it with sound, and this video created by you. So let's see what you have done.
That turn into expensive delays. Schedules shift, the weather changes. Without a team watching every detail, disruption follows. This is what operational readiness looks like. Coordinated, verified, ahead of schedule. Operational readiness, one detail at a time. Most operators never see this part of the mission. A single overflight permit delayed by hours can ground an entire trip before it starts. Fuel not confirmed. Handling not arranged. Small gaps that turn into expensive delays. Schedules shift. The weather changes. Without a team watching every detail, disruption follows. This is what operational readiness looks like. Coordinated, verified, ahead of schedule. Operational readiness, one detail at a time.
Wow, amazing design. Now, this is the magic of Diana. You have created something wonderful using CapCut. Now, I want to ask you to take us to the magic of CapCut, the AI tools used with CapCut. The floor is yours. Can you share screen and do.
All right, sorry. So if you're going and if you have no, like, you have no time on taking a videos, capturing for your business, you can already generate it here, Soby. So here you can paste your prompts. If you have a
Yeah,
script, you
sorry,
have the
sorry,
prompt.
you need to share the screen again.
All right. Okay, I'm so sorry. So here, Sobi, at the left top, so we can see the import, and here the third one is the generate, and there's an AI short box here. So AI image, AI video, and AI dialogues. And so in AI image, you can create an image already here. So paste your prompt here and then generate here. So if you have already pasted a prompt here, you can just click it here and generate. And then the AI video,
So,
this is
just
the most.
sorry, just to stop you here. Now, when we say AI image, we need to create a prompt. We can create a prompt using ChatGPT and paste it here, and they will create an image using that prompt,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, Sobi.
So
And then here in
sorry, I'm just stopping now. Suppose I don't know about AI. All what I have to do to go to any AI tool, whether Meta on my mobile or whether ChatGPT, and I will ask create a prompt for CapCut to create the following image. And this is they will take only English language. Can you give a prompt in Arabic as well? Do you know about other languages or in France or French or any? Do you have any idea?
as of the moment, I'm sorry. I know what I know about CapCut is that the tool will automatically detect the
Language.
location you are going to use with the tool. So I don't think so if it is also working something like that. But I think yes, it's because it recognizes the location. The tool
Okay.
recognizes your location as well.
So now
And
any video consists of several images. Here we have the CapCut. It can with AI create those images that will be used later on down in the time frame, isn't it?
yes,
Yeah,
yes. So if you're going to paste it here, your prompt, and then the video will be generated already. So if you're like for example, if you have you have already very polished, you have all the script, the scene, if you have a specific description of a character of your video, you can paste it here and you can generate. But on video generation, you cannot use a free account for that, and for standard account for that, it's very limited. If you want to be an unlimited AI generation, you need a pro plan for that.
you
So
told us
yes,
Pro plan is $10 a month,
uh, pro plan is $20, Sabi. The
$20 a
standard
month.
plan, yeah, is $10. So what you just going to set it here, how much is the time you want to generate it, is 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So the credits will depend on your video script as well. If all of the command you are going to use for that video, then I think it needs a lot of credits for that. So that's
So,
why it's very like, most of videos today, it is here. It is created here.
so we can say credits will be paid with the subscription or you pay as you use.
You're paying each subscription, Sabi, has already its credits, but the specific, we cannot specify how much credit needed for every video that we want to make, because as far as I know, if you have already an image, like for example, you are creating an image from like say for example from chat gpt, and
Mhm.
then you're going to upload it here, and that image you're going to turn that into video, and that's very small credits needs.
Mhm.
It's
Wonderful.
something like that. But if all of your projects for that specific video generation, the background music, the the script, the narrator, the avatar that going to speak for that video is all in one prompt, then it really needs more credits for that.
Wonderful. Here, I want to ask you now, you have added sound effect, the voiceover and the background music. Is it created by CapCut or created by additional software like 11 Labs?
Yes, depend for most of the creator, Sabi, they are like, they're recording
Audio?
their audio and then uploaded it here.
Okay. So what is
But
AI?
if you're
Yeah, yeah. AI dialogue scene. What is AI dialogue scene?
Like yes, if you are going to like say for example a storytelling, like you have two character for
Mm-hmm.
that. Yes, you can also use it here. You can paste it there, the scene, their dialogue here, and then are going to upload your character photo, the profile of your character here,
Mm-hmm.
and then generate. But yeah, that's if that kind of project really cost more credits.
Oh, I understand. So that's amazing. Now, I think now we have covered what is CapCut, what is the essential tools of CapCut, and now we moved into AI tools of the major AI tools of the CapCut. Uh, are there any other features you'd like to talk about or to introduce? I understand this is not a training about CapCut. It is only like introductory meeting, how video editing, usually we have normal tools for video editing, but in CapCut it took it to a new level when it is producing the images and the AI video and the dialogue scenes within the same platform. So Diana, are there any other tools you'd like to talk about?
As for this Soby, this I've shown it here. This is the very basic, and this is the the most used feature when it comes to editing a video, especially if it is for reels or for social media.
Okay. So now I will move to the audience. We will take a few questions from the audience about CapCut and its features. Please, if anybody has any question, would you please just open your mic and ask or write it down? Because already they have already asked a few questions. Mr. Gasson, he asked some questions and you answered them already, I think, about how to delete a specific part in CapCut. He said sometimes I use the mouse doesn't delete correctly, and you showed us how to zoom in. It will make us more precision in cutting. So I want to ask the audience if they have any other question. I think everyone they are very happy and satisfied, and they're thanking you a lot for your nice presentation about CapCut. And so now we reach to the end of our meeting today. Every 2 weeks, we meet with AI professional who has hands-on experience, not only theories, who has a record in using these AI tools to introduce this to us. Hopefully, inshallah, after 2 weeks, we'll have another meeting with a very trustworthy leader who has AI company, and he will introduce us about how AI is it changing the sales roadmap or the sale the user experience of sales, how AI will act as sales agent. With this would be with Mr. Bashir, and it would be after 2 weeks from now. It would be on 9th of August 2026. And now, if you allow me, I want to thank Diana on behalf of all those who are with us now or with us on the YouTube. If you have any question, please send me your questions, and Diana is always available to answer your questions. Diana, thank you for joining us and introducing us to CapCut and its main capabilities.
Yeah, thank you to Savi. Thank you so much for hosting this session, and thank you to everyone who joined us today. I hope you gained practical tips that can start applying to your own content right away. And I wish all the best in creating videos that inspire and connect to your audiences as well.
Now, as always, in the end, I will ask every one of the participants to keep following up with nujumtalk.com. This is AI Talk. It is sometimes in Arabic. Our next meeting will be in Arabic, sometimes in English. and this is like AI talk. This is business development growth. We have every day hundreds of AI tools created, and we need anyone who would like to join and know this like quick snacks about this AI. Just register for the event, and you'll receive the Zoom link. You are most welcome to visit us on Zoom to ask your questions or to watch the recording on YouTube. All recording are there available on the YouTube library. Thank you so much. Thank you again so much, Diana. And looking forward for meeting you after 2 weeks from now to talk about AI agent related to the sales function. Until our next episode, keep learning, creating, and shining. Use CapCut. And you have any questions, message us, and we'll be there to assist. Thank you so much, and have good day. Good day.
Yeah, thank you, Soby. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. Have
Thank you.
a
Thank
good
you.
night. Thank you. Thank you.